Hello, Aditi. How are you?
Hi,
Finally,
I'm good. I'm good. Uzair, how are you?
I'm good, Aditi. Thank you so much for joining us. And मैं थोड़ा सा camera adjust
Pleasure.
कर लूँ for the viewers as well
Sure.
to see. All right, जी. Aditi, how you have been doing? कैसी हैं आप? And how's the live
First
sessions going?
class. Live sessions are going very well. I'm really enjoying it. It gives me a sense of, doing some work sitting at home. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि अलग-अलग लोगों से मुलाकात हो रही है, बातें हो रही है, लोग क्या कर रहे हैं इस समय वो भी सुनने को मिल रहा है. So it's a great conversation. It's a casual, superb
बिल्कुल
conversation.
Aditi, with that, what are 2 to 3 main things जो आपने बहुत common लोगों में देखी हो, in fact in actors and models जिनसे आप बात कर रही हैं, what are the 3 basic things or 2 basic things that they are doing right now in quarantine or in self isolation?
I think the two things that pretty much have been common वो यही है कि हर एक जन अपने फिजिकल हेल्थ पे ध्यान दे रहा है
Yeah.
एंड मेंटली आल्सो दे आर कीपिंग हैप्पी दे आर ट्राइंग टू फोकस ऑन द पॉजिटिव. कई लोगों ने ये भी शेयर किया कि हाँ नेगेटिव थॉट्स आए पैनिक सिचुएशन हुआ बट दे वर एबल टू गेट
डेफिनेटली
आउट ऑफ इट वेरी
डिप्रेशन है एंड
फास्ट.
बोर्डम है फॉर श्योर एंड राइट
या
नाउ मेट्स भी अभी लोगों ने उनको भी ऑफ किया हुआ है द पीपल
यस
डोमेस्टिक स्टाफ एंड
काम हाँ
क्लिनिकल.
ऑफ कोर्स घर का काम भी करना पड़ रहा है
अच्छा
इसकी
अदिति,
आदत नहीं थी. हाँ
you have been doing a very phenomenal job awareness के लिहाज से. You have been you are a doctor as well. तो थोड़ा सा COVID-19 के बारे में बताएं. The people who are especially at home right now, healthy activities में क्या कर सकते हैं थोड़ा सा ही बताएं. Then हम आएंगे आपकी वेब सीरीज की तरफ भी.
जी. सी बेसिकली कोविड-19 क्या है, क्यों हो रहा है, ये सबको ही पता है. मास्क पहनना चाहिए, घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना है, ये तो सबको पता है. मैं एक पहलू के बारे में बात करना चाहूंगी जिसपे बहुत लोग ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं
जी.
क्योंकि वो अवेयरनेस नहीं है और वो ये है कि हमारी इम्यूनिटी है उस पे ध्यान देना बहुत जरूरी है. इम्यूनिटी को हेल्दी रखना. हाँ उसके वजह से ये जो इन्फेक्शन है वो होने के चांसेस कम हो जाते
कम
हैं.
हो जाएंगे
तो
एग्जैक्टली.
जी जी तो इम्यूनिटी कई चीज़ों पे निर्भर होती है. एक तो जैसे है स्ट्रेस. स्ट्रेस अगर आप लेते हैं एंजाइटी फील करते हैं पैनिक सिचुएशन में अगर आप अपने आप को महसूस करते हो तो उससे इम्यूनिटी पे डायरेक्ट असर हो सकता है. सो वेन एवर यू फील लाइक दैट आप मेडिटेट करिए किसी के साथ बात करिए ताकि आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल जो है वो नीचे आ जाएगा या डू वॉट एवर एक्टिविटी यू फील टू डी स्ट्रेस योर सेल्फ. इसके अलावा पे अटेंशन टू वॉट यू आर ईटिंग क्योंकि विटामिन सी जिसमें जो खाद्य पदार्थ होते हैं जिनमें होता है उसका सेवन करना बहुत जरूरी है.
ठीक
सो
है.
एनी सिट्रस फ्रूट्स विच हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लाइम
Oranges हो गए, lemons हो गए. You
और
can make
यस
them in your daily diet routine
यस
as well.
यस यस
Aditi, talking about a little about modeling, when you came in this field particularly, उस वक्त जो है ऐसी foreign looks वाली मॉडल जो है बहुत कम होती थी. So first impression क्या था लोगों का? They were very welcoming towards you, या they were like इस तरह की मॉडल्स जो है कि इंडिया में नहीं होती हैं. What was or it was a mixed reaction जो आपको मिला?
No, I felt very welcome. I think everybody kind of took me under their wing because I think they figured out that I don't come from this background at all, and I had no clue about anything where modeling was concerned. It happened to be by default because I was studying to be a doctor at that time. तो मेरे पास तो heels भी नहीं रहते थे और मुझे याद है मेरा first जो एक shoot था वो महिमा चौधरी के साथ था and I just landed up in my chappals and on my kinetic
अच्छा.
Honda. I didn't even have the basic heels. I didn't know I was supposed to carry to begin with. So she was very kind and she shared one pair with me. Of course, her foot size was smaller than mine, but I managed to slip my feet into her shoes. And, so everybody's been very helpful. Everybody has really helped me in achieving the success that I did as a supermodel and as an actor.
अदिति, सॉन्ग आपने किया बहुत ज्यादा फेमस हुआ नाम समी और आशा भोसले का. दैट
जी.
दैट सॉन्ग दैट व्हेन इट केम टू यू, तो यू लिसन द सॉन्ग पहले या आपको लगा कि यार ये इतने फिनोमिनल सिंगर्स हैं तो कुछ अच्छे ही गा रहे होंगे, लेट्स डू दिस बिफोर लिसनिंग. क्या सिचुएशन
या
थी?
तो उस टाइम बहुत सारे म्यूजिक वीडियोस बनते थे और मैंने काफी सारे सिंगर्स के
या
साथ म्यूजिक वीडियोस भी किए हैं एंड व्हेन आई वाज इनवाइटेड टू लिसन टू द सॉन्ग मेरा फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन था कि इट इज वेरी मेलोडियस बट इज इट टू स्लो. So I told them that I'll
ओके.
give the response to you in a couple of hours. Let me listen to it a couple of times, a few times, and then I'll go ahead and do it. then when I heard it 2-3 times, it kind of grew, and I was like, oh my God, this is such a beautiful song. And thank God I did it, because people still remember the song, people still remember
Exactly,
me
and they
from the
still
music
listen to
video.
it. वो बहुत ही
Yes.
जबरदस्त मेलोडियस सॉन्ग था. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट गेटिंग, हमने पहले जब बात की तो मैंने आपसे पूछा था अबाउट बीइंग हिट इन दोस डेज व्हेन देयर वाज नो सोशल मीडिया, एंड
Yeah.
राइट नाउ इट्स वेरी इजी टू बिकम एन इंस्टाग्राम मॉडल, बट इट्स रियली हार्ड टू बिकम दैट रियल लाइफ मॉडल. तो क्या डिफिकल्टीज थी, एंड डू यू थिंक इजियर है इस दफा, या अभी भी जो है एज फार एज आप जितना काम करते हैं उसी से रिकॉग्नाइज होते हैं, या अच्छी तस्वीर आप इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करते हैं तो उससे भी हिट हो सकते हैं आजकल?
I think now we have a lot more celebrities, lot more, so to say, influencers जिसे कहते हैं, क्योंकि YouTube हो या TikTok हो या Instagram हो या Facebook हो, this has allowed people to showcase their talent, and it reaches a lot more people a lot more easily. जैसे जब मैंने मॉडलिंग शुरू किया था, तो हमें एक्चुअल पोर्टफोलियो बना के उसके प्रिंट्स निकाल के
ओके,
सभी जो
हेडशॉट्स जो
कोऑर्डिनेटर्स,
होते हैं, या
यस यस, वो सब लोगों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने पड़ते थे. नाउ यू जस्ट पोस्ट अ पिक्चर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड यू गेट कॉल्स दैट
इनफैक्ट
ओके
आप इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल देते थे अपना, जस्ट टू
यस.
स्क्रॉल थ्रू द प्रोफाइल तो आई हैव एन आइडिया.
Yeah, so it's a lot easier, but of course, because it has opened up for so many people, there is a lot more competition as well.
Aditi, you love being on camera as well. आपने multiple जगहों पे बताया भी है, and it's really amazing for you as well to work on some subjects as well. इसकी वजह से आपने recently एक बहुत ही जबरदस्त स्टोरी के ऊपर भी काम किया, about great stories as well. थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताएं, that you actually wanted to be in web series as well, because right now web series ही है जिन्होंने लोगों को बचाए हुए हैं, because everyone is at home and everyone is watching these seasons and stories जो कभी
Yeah, absolutely. So मैंने रिसेंटली ग्रे स्टोरीज में काम किया था, जो गुंजन ने प्रोड्यूस की हुई है, एंड दिस वाज इन अमेरिका. वी शॉट इन योर रीजन, योर एरिया, सो टू से. इसके अलावा मैंने Z5 पे भी एक सीरीज की थी जिसका नाम था परछाई, विच इज अवेलेबल राइट नाउ ऑन Z5, एंड आई हैव डन वन मोर ऑन Netflix. But Great Stories is special to me because, what I believe in is that every human being is a gray, lives in a gray zone. His mind is never black and white. तो हम जो कहते हैं कि नहीं ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, वो वैसा होना चाहिए, but the thing is that we all have blurred boundaries. We all have blurred lines. One might say that, oh, I never lie, but really, I mean, think about it. How many white lies? It could be white lies. We say to people around us. We pretend to be something which we are not a lot of times. So, so that is basically being gray, and we all have that. It's not like I don't have it or you don't have it. Everybody has it. And the stories that Gunjan has made were very, very interesting. I enjoyed being part of one of the stories, and I kept telling her, I said, I wish I was in all 4 stories that she has made, because they were so interesting and very unique concepts. So it was a joy shooting with her. It was a pleasure coming there and enjoying the hospitality of New England. It was a beautiful time for me when I went there. Yeah.
Aditi, 3 projects that stayed with you throughout your life, या अभी भी अगर आप rate करें कोई ऐसे 3 projects according to the number as well, 1, 2, 3 जिसको rate करेंगी, the best projects of your life जिसको बहुत enjoy किया, they're still close to your heart?
ये थोड़ा मुश्किल सवाल है, because it's like asking you which child is your favorite child, right? Because you do a project, given the fact that you've liked the role, you want to be part of it, and it is always a pleasure being part of the job. So every single job that I have done, every single acting stint that I have been part of, or even fashion show, for every single fashion show that I have done, it has always given me so much in return. So I have, I feel very grateful to the people who gave me that work. I'm grateful to the Almighty for helping me to become who I am. So it is a little difficult to name pet projects, so to say.
अच्छा, कोई 2 फिल्म है जो आपकी पसंदीदा हो, जिसकी स्क्रिप्ट बड़ी मजे की लगी आपको जब फर्स्ट टाइम अप्रोच आपके पास आई थी? Was it a Hindi movie or it was in different regional language?
Well, I would say Tamru would be one Telugu film which is close to my heart, and the reason for that is it was my first film. I never thought ever before that I would be in films. I would act because I always wanted to be a doctor, and that's what I had grown up thinking, that I want to be a medical doctor. But when they narrated the script to me, I thought that was very interesting. It was very unlike who I was, and I love challenges. So it had a kind of negative shade to the character. So I said, okay, let me try and try my hand at this kind of work. Though offers had been coming in at that time,
Okay.
I chose to do Tamdu. So that is one film that definitely
And
is.
one Hindi movie as well.
Hindi is De Danadan, because it's been my so to say most recent release.
Yeah.
Not so recent really, but yeah, I mean that's the film that
And you
everybody
look great in
remembers.
Paheli as well.
Yeah.
I love that song as well. बहुत ही regional and थोड़ा
Beautiful,
सा
beautiful.
राजस्थानी, उसको थोड़ा सा
Yes.
art direction उसकी बहुत जबरदस्त हुई है उस song
Yeah,
की.
yeah, it was.
Yeah.
And it went for Oscars, so it was a very
Yeah.
big thing for me. Soch is very close to my heart because that was the first Hindi film that released. Baz, of course, because I worked with so many superb actors who I got a chance to work with. So, that's what I'm saying. So every film that I have done, or every acting stint that I have done, has always been is very close to my heart.
Yeah. Aditi, talking थोड़ा सा हम end की तरफ आ रहे हैं, तो मैं आपसे ये जरूर पूछूंगा about your live sessions as well. Hundreds and thousands of people are watching your live sessions with phenomenal actors as well. During the coronavirus, तो इसको आप बाद में भी continue करेंगी, या इसको आप सोचेंगी कि यार ये कोरोना वायरस तक के लिए था, but definitely people are welcoming, तो इसको आगे बढ़ाएंगी after the COVID?
Yes, I have got really great response, and Dr. A Talks actually was born last year. I have been wanting to do this kind of program for a year now, but because of my earlier commitments, because of I'm still studying, so because of that, I had kind of not paid attention to it. I had prepared the blueprint, and I have a list of people that I want to interview, and all those things were ready. But when Corona happened, and everything got cancelled, the acting and events and all that, so I had time on my hand, and I said, why not start this right now? And going forward, I definitely plan to continue. However, I will not do it every day. I'll reduce
Yeah,
the
you need a
dose
break as
of
well, of
the
course.
talk. Yes. So
And
I'll
आप web
probably
series को
have.
continue करेगी अदिति?
Sorry.
Web series को continue करोगी आगे?
Yes, yes, of course. I am in talks with a few people. I'm supposed to. We were supposed to shoot actually next month, but now because of this whole situation, it's pushed to. We don't know when.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Aditi, 2 reminders for people, especially mandatory reminder जो आप बताएंगे जो लोग घर पे हैं, क्या चीज कर सकते हैं right now in terms of keeping their immune system boosted.
तो एक तो आपके खाने पे ध्यान दीजिए. डेफिनेटली सिट्रस फ्रूट्स जो है, जैसे लाइम हो या ऑरेंज हो, मौसमी संतरा जिसे कहते हैं, दैट यू मस्ट कंज्यूम. अगर आंवला मिलता है देन प्लीज हैव आंवला, और आंवले का शॉट बना के ये करिए. आप डेफिनेटली ले लीजिए सुबह को. इसके अलावा मेडिटेट करिए, पॉजिटिविटी रखिए. इन केस यू फील एंग्शियस, इन केस यू फील पैनिकी, nervous, it's okay. It's not like you should feel, oh my god, how can I feel like this and I should feel positive. It's okay. Just acknowledge your thoughts and say, it's fine, I'm feeling like this, but seek a solution to it, in the sense that go ahead and speak to somebody, or distract yourself by watching something funny, cute, or just write down. I mean, journaling is always something that is very, very helpful.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Aditi. You look great, and we really wish you best of luck for the upcoming projects as well, and would love to see you again for sure.
Thank you, Zaid. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Take care, Aditi, and take care.